In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp CRM to manage your customer relationships, sales pipeline, and business processes all in one powerful workspace. Whether you're a small business owner, sales professional, or part of a growing team, ClickUp CRM gives you the flexibility to track deals, manage contacts, and automate your entire sales workflow without needing separate tools. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp account and navigate to your workspace. The foundation of using ClickUp as a CRM starts with setting up your hierarchy properly. Click on the sidebar and create a new space specifically for your CRM. You might call this Sales Pipeline, Client Management, or simply CRM. Within this space, create folders for different stages of your customer journey, such as leads, active clients, and closed deals. Then create lists within each folder to organize your contacts and deals by category, source, or sales stage. This hierarchical structure keeps everything organized and makes it easy to navigate as your client base grows. Next, let's utilize CRM templates to save time and get started quickly. Click on Templates in the top right corner of your workspace, then search for CRM in the template library. ClickUp offers pre-built CRM templates designed specifically for sales teams and client management. Browse through the available options and select a template that matches your business needs. Click Use Template and it will automatically populate your space with lists, custom fields, views, and even automation examples. These templates give you a professional CRM setup in seconds, which you can then customize to fit your exact workflow. Now it's time to customize data fields so you can track the specific information that matters to your business. Open any list in your CRM space and click on the three dots menu, then select Custom Fields. Here you can add fields like contact name, email, phone number, company, deal value, lead source, and status. You can choose from different field types including text, drop-down, number, date, and more. For example, create a drop-down field called Deal Stage with options like prospecting, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed won. These custom fields let you capture all the important details about each client or opportunity in a structured way. After customizing your fields, configure CRM views to visualize your data in different ways. ClickUp allows you to view the same information in multiple formats. Click the Views bar at the top of your list and add a board view to see your deals moving through pipeline stages like a kanban board. Add a table view to see all your client data in a spreadsheet-style layout, perfect for sorting and filtering. You can also create a calendar view to track follow-ups and meetings, or a Gantt view for project-based client work. Each view can be customized with filters, grouping, and sorting options so you see exactly what you need at any given time. These multiple views make it easy to switch perspectives depending on whether you're doing data entry, pipeline management, or reporting. Next, let's automate workflows to save time and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Click on Automations in the top right corner of your list, then browse the available automation templates or create a custom one. For example, you can set up an automation that says when deal stage changes to proposal sent, then assign the task to your sales manager and set a due date for follow-up in 3 days. You can also create automations to send notifications, update fields, move tasks between lists, or create subtasks automatically. These automations eliminate repetitive manual work and help your team stay on top of every opportunity without constant supervision. ClickUp's Automation Builder is visual and easy to use even if you've never set up automations before. Finally, track performance with dashboards to get a real-time overview of your sales metrics and team performance. Click on Dashboards in your sidebar, then create a new dashboard for your CRM. Add widgets like Sales Pipeline by Stage, Total Deal Value, Deals Closed this month, and Lead Source Breakdown. You can pull data from across your entire CRM space and visualize it with charts, graphs, numbers, and tables. Dashboards give you and your team instant visibility into what's working, where bottlenecks exist, and how close you are to hitting your goals. You can create multiple dashboards for different purposes, such as executive overviews, individual sales rep performance, or client health monitoring. And that's it. You've successfully set up and learned how to use ClickUp CRM to manage your entire customer relationship process from lead to close. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.